Hey Danish tubers, throw away those textbooks. It's time to get ready for something totally different. I'm Liam, your Danish language rock star, and I'm here to announce this year's most epic Danish language event. DanishTube Unplugged, a late night Danish jam with music and mayhem. This isn't just gonna be a workshop or a talk, it's gonna be a full-blown show and you're gonna be involved. So what's to expect? You can expect some anecdotes from my time as a teacher, traveling around a bit, getting to know different people. You can probably expect some live music, some entertaining conversations, and who knows, maybe even a bit of karaoke. So whether or not you're just starting out, whether or not you've just met me, just come across me, if you're one of my students, doesn't matter what your level is, this night is for you. Because we're going to be rocking out with our sprog out. Think of this event as a late night Danish talk show with all the humor and all the heart. So are you ready to join the party? Tell your friends, hit the link below, get your tickets, and I'll see you in Copenhagen.